This video is for standard 9th and 10th science semi or English medium students. The aim of this video is to study hydrocarbon compounds by trick and understanding the basic concept related to it, and also to study elements of modern periodic table. Hello students, myself Kirti Gaikwad. Today we are going to deal with chapter that is hydrocarbon. In this hydrocarbon, you are again going to study sub branches of this hydrocarbon. They are basic are alkane, alkene and alkynes. If you will learn this alkane, alkene and alkyne, I challenge that I will tell you some keywords, and if you will by heart these keywords, you will be able to answer near about 28 words, that is 10 alkane, 9 alkenes and 9 alkynes. So with their correct chemical formula. So let's start. If you say word meth means 1 carbon, eth means 2 carbon, prop means 3 carbon, bute means 4 carbon, pent means 5 carbon, hex means 6 carbon, hept means 7 carbon, oct means 8 carbon, non means 9 carbon, and dec, last one, that is 10 carbon. Let's study alkane in detail. Alkane means CnH2n plus 2, and in this formula if you add keyword that is meth eth to ane, you will get alkane's name, such as meth plus ane will give you methane, eth plus ane will give you ethane, such as propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So these are alkanes. So all alkanes are single bonded structure. Now alkenes. Alkene formula is CnH2n. So the number of carbon, you will double number of hydrogen, you will get alkene. All alkenes have double bond, which means if you need to make alkene, you need at least 2 carbon. So we can say single carbon compound not present here. Simultaneously, after adding ene to keyword, you will get 2 carbon compound, that is ethene, 3 carbon compound, that is propane, 4 carbon compound butane, 5 carbon compound pentane, 6 carbon compound hexane, 7 carbon compound heptane, 8 carbon compound octane, 9 carbon compound nonane, and 10 carbon compound decane. Our next carbon compound is alkyne, where CnH2n minus 2 is the formula for alkyne. And after adding YNE to the keyword, you will get all names of alkyne. Remember, all alkynes have triple bond between 2 carbon. Single carbon could not make alkyne. Here is the chart for alkyne's name. Eth plus YNE will give you ethyne. Prop plus YNE will give you propyne. Bute plus YNE will give you butane. Pent plus YNE will give you pentyne. Hex plus YNE will give you hexyne. Hept plus YNE will give you heptyne. Oct plus YNE will give you octyne. Non plus YNE will give you nonine, and dec plus YNE will give you decyne. This was some points of hydrocarbon. Now let us go to elements from modern periodic table and enjoy some magic for learning it by heart. Observe this chart carefully. This is a sentence. If you learn this sentence, you will be able to remember the first 10 elements of modern periodic table. Here is the sentence: Hi, hello, Lina, Bina brought cashew nut on Friday night. If you learn it by heart, you can see the symbols which are given simultaneously on the screen, which will directly tell you what exactly which element I am talking about. Observe this table carefully. Here you can see in your third column, that is the names of elements which are from modern periodic table. Simultaneously, if you number these elements from 1 to 10, you will get atomic number. And if you put them accordingly, electronic configuration you can write carefully. From the same table, you can also explain them metal, non-metal and metalloids. See how. All metals are the element which have 1, 2 or 3 electron in their outermost orbit or shell. It means they have tendency to give electron. It is easy for them to give 1, 2 and 3 electron in spite of taking 5, 6 or 7 electron. That's why metals are electronegative, because they have tendency to lose electrons. Our next topic is non-metal. Non-metals are elements with 5, 6 or 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Here they have tendency to take or gain electron. That's why it is hard for them to lose 5, 6 or 7 electron present in their outermost orbit. But it is easier for them to gain 3, 2 or 1 electron in their outermost orbit. That's why if they are taking negative charge of electron, they are getting negative charge. That's why non-metals are negatively charged. Metalloids are those elements with 4 electron in their outermost orbit. That means they have tendency to take electron or they have tendency to lose electron. So they are showing property of metal as well as non-metal. That's why they are called as metalloids.